Hi there, Gary here from Longsons, and I'm just going to take you on a brief video tour of this very well presented linked detached 4-bedroom house we have situated in the popular Norfolk village of Great Cressingham. Okay, so there's the property right there in front of us. There's a garage to the side. That's electric light and power in the garage. We've got plenty of parking for numerous vehicles to the front of the property. Driveway laid to shingle, and there's gated access to the side of the property to the rear garden. There's outside lighting as well. So I'll just show you the property location. We're actually on Chalk Hill in Great Cressingham, and as you can see, it's just starting to rain. So it is, as I said, it is a popular Norfolk village. Okay, well that's the outside front. Without further ado, let's head on in through the front door and have a look around inside. Oops. So there's the stairs up to the first floor. As I'm sure you've guessed, we're in the entrance hall. There's a generous understairs storage cupboard. There is a cloakroom just off to the side with WC and wash basin. The property is it's oil fired central heating, and we're also UPVC double glazed as well. So we're now in the kitchen, as I'm sure you've guessed. So relatively recently fitted replacement kitchen. So there's a very nice kitchen units to wall and floor. We've got enamel 1.5 bowl sink units, space there for electric oven with extractor hood over. There's integrated dishwasher. We have integrated fridge. And window looking out to the rear garden. And then just off of the kitchen, we've got side conservatory stroke utility room. So there is a work surface here, and there's space and plumbing under for a washing machine, and there's space there for a tumble dryer as well. And there's an entrance door out to the rear garden. We'll be popping our head out there in a little while, just towards the end of the video. And there's also another door providing internal access into the garage. And then we have another door takes us into the really good size lounge stroke dining room. So there is another entrance door from the entrance hall into the lounge area. Window to the front. There's a feature brickwork fireplace. We've got UPVC double glazed French doors opening out to the rear garden. So really good sized room. So that's the ground floor. Let's venture up the stairs and have a look at the first floor. So we'll start with bedroom 1. Good sized double bedroom, built-in wardrobes, and a floor to ceiling window looking out to the rear. And then we have bedroom 2, window this time to the front, another good sized double bedroom, and again a built-in wardrobe. And I failed to mention on the landing, we also have this built-in cupboard as well, and that's housing the hot water cylinder. And then we've got bedroom 3, smaller single bedroom, but a good size single bedroom nonetheless, with Velux roof windows, double glazed, and another built-in wardrobe. And then we've got bedroom 4, currently set up as an office stroke storage room, and again with Velux double glazed roof window. And then we also have on the first floor the bathroom. So it's a bathroom suite comprising bath with electric shower over and shower screen, wash basin, WC, and a towel radiator. We've got a Velux roof window in here as well, and an obscure glass window to the side. Okay, well that's the property interior. Let's head on downstairs through the kitchen, through the conservatory stroke utility, shoes back on, now the entrance door into the well presented, established, enclosed rear garden. So directly to the rear of the garden we've got this wooden decked seating area. There's a little area just to the side here. We've got a couple of water butts sitting here, and then we've got paved patio seating area directly to the rear of the property. There's outside tap and there's outside lighting as well. And then we've got low maintenance garden laid to shingle with some raised planters, currently stocked with a good selection of vegetables from what I can see. There's shrubs and plants, ornamental trees, to beds and borders throughout. There's a path that leads round the back of the property there. There's a really good sized wooden shed tucked away in the corner here. Okay, so that was a brief video tour of this really well presented detached or linked detached 4-bedroom house situated in the popular Norfolk village of Great Cressingham. Thank you for watching.